Today I am reviewing this portable white noise machine. It comes with a charging cord and a travel case. It has 26 soothing sounds, anywhere from lullabies to rain to a babbling brook and a campfire. It's perfect for adults, infants, and pets. It also comes with a feature of an adjustable, soft, warm nightlight. There are 6 adjustable auto-off timers from a half hour to 3 hours. This white noise machine gives you the deep sleep that you deserve for both yourself and your pet to block out any outside noises. I highly recommend this white noise machine for the sleep that you deserve.